How to repair a minor surfboard ding. Okay, so this here is my Firewire Seaside, and on a recent trip to Hawaii, I dinged it on my way in from surfing, not even in action, just on some sneaky, shallow lava rocks. Now luckily it was my last day of the trip, but alas, my beautiful new board got its first ding that needed some repair. So as you can see, it's nothing too crazy, but definitely would let water in if I didn't do anything. If you're new to surfing, you definitely don't want this. Your board will get waterlogged and start yellowing and become unusable very fast if you keep letting water seep in. Now because this is a pretty minor ding, we're going to be using a Solarez epoxy ding repair kit. And for these types of boards, if you have a Firewire surfboard or something similar, you want to make sure to check that it's EPS safe. This kit comes with a two-sided sanding block that's 60 grit on one side and 240 grit on the other. So you'll need some sandpaper if you don't have this kit. You'll also need some masking tape, some kind of applicator, a sheet of plastic, a razor knife, and a towel. Also, it's really important that you make sure you'll be repairing your surfboard while there's still plenty of sunlight out. Otherwise, the Solarez will not cure. We're going to start with our razor knife and opening up that dinged area. It can feel a bit scary, like you're destroying your board, but you need to clear out some of the cracked fiberglass shards and damaged layers of foam. I try to keep it as small of an opening as possible, and that got me with this funky triangle shape. Next, you're going to take your 60 grit sandpaper and quickly sand the inner edges of that ding opening. This helps create an area for the Solarez to bind strongly to. When you're done, clear out any excess dust and then lay your plastic sheet over the hole. Mylar, which is like a thick, flexible plastic, is the preferred plastic material because it easily creates a smooth surface. But other plastics work okay too. Just make sure the side that will be touching the Solarez is clean. Tape one side of the plastic down so that you can flap it over the ding when you're ready. For now, flap the plastic back and begin filling the hole with Solarez and using your stir stick to spread it evenly. You want to make sure you add enough to fill the entire opening, but not too much excess. Be sure it's completely filled and there are no bubbles or gaps, and then flap the plastic back over the opening and tape the other sides down to keep everything in place. Next, find a sunny spot that's safe for your board and let it cure. This usually takes just a few minutes, and once everything is hardened, you can remove the plastic and begin sanding with the 60 grit sandpaper. After it feels mostly level with the rest of your board, you can switch to the 240 grit and sand it until it's perfectly smooth. And just like that, you're done and you can get back to shredding. Now this entire process should only take about 30 minutes or so per ding, and you'll just get better and better as you do more of them. Leave a comment below if you found this helpful, or if you have any questions, I'd be happy to leave a reply. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more outdoor guides, tips, and inspiration for all things outdoors.